In a world full of spurs, there are places where, if you just look at the right time, the spark starts to burn. It can be here, or here, while you're waiting here, or even when you look here. Inspiration is in everything, in the art of identifying trends and finding new ways to connect them to brand strategies. And it is anything but boring. It's desire, it's love, it's fear, lust, happiness, curiosity, even sadness. It's a whisper you almost didn't hear, or something that catches your eye just as you turn away. It can chase you, or avoid you. It doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't wait for you to be ready. But when it comes, it's one of the best feelings you can ever experience. Messy, unpredictable, overwhelming, like trends, innovation, branding, marketing, and every possible form of communication. But it's worth it. Every single time. So now, the question is, what will you do the next time it comes to you?